The market capitalization of the coin is used to summarize all that is taught in this video. I would also like to remind you to give my channel a like and subscribe to it so that you can stay up to date on future XRP news as well as other cryptocurrency news in general. First, take a look at this XRP community, which is receiving important warnings about what it is about. On the other hand, before we go any further, there is a brand new cryptocurrency airdrop that is currently taking place on Telegram and is set to start at any moment. I would ask that you make sure that you take part in this airdrop. Within the video's description is where you will find the link. Make sure you don't miss out on this opportunity. In the meantime, let's proceed with our video. xrp+ripple, a well-known XRPL developer, has lately issued a significant warning to the XRP community. This warning is of great importance. This warning is in reference to a fraudulent token that is known by the name xrp+. In order to provide some context, more information is required. xrp+ is a client wallet for the XRP ledger that does not require customer custody. The users are provided with the opportunity to communicate not only with the ledger but also with tools that have been built by third parties. In his tweet, Wend emphasized that there is now no official xrp token and that there would not be any in the foreseeable future because there is none. There is now no xrp token, and as of right now, there will not be a xrp token. The process of issuing meme garbage coins is not something that we are going to get involved in. It should be brought to your attention that there is not a single xrp token present. There is absolutely no way that xrp tokens will ever be generated. Our organization will not take part in the distribution of meme coins that are considered to be low quality. The distribution of this was not done by us. I am referring to a currency that involves a false meme fraud. xrp+, the founder of xrp wallet, which was once known as xrp+, offered an explanation concerning the matter. When asked about the so-called xrp coin, which is presently trading on First Ledger, he responded that he and his team are not connected to the cryptocurrency. This victory set was not issued by our company. In order to stress the seriousness of the situation, he refers to the xrp token as a phony meme scam coin and cautions users against interacting with it in any manner. In addition to that, he makes use of the words a fake meme scam coin. Be on the lookout, members of the XRP community. Despite the fact that fraudulent projects and scam tokens are still being used, the cryptocurrency community continues to be concerned about this issue. Winner's warning stresses the significance of maintaining vigilance as the XRP ecosystem continues to grow throughout the years. Members of the community are strongly advised to verify information through the appropriate means in order to protect themselves from the possibility of being taken advantage of. This is an extremely significant topic to consider, especially considering the fact that newly generated tokens are continually being added to the XRP ledger. Very First Ledger, following the freshly issued tokens every day on the XRP ledger, a new platform that enables users to trade and track tokens on XRP has broken the all-time high for the number of tokens that have been released. This accomplishment is significantly higher than the mark that was set in 2021 by a substantial margin. The XRPL validator and co-founder have issued a warning to the XRP community and asked them to be vigilant in light of this circumstance. There are a lot of impersonators out there, said the XRPL validator. Wallets are inspected and the official X handle warns about fraudulent individuals who claim to be XRP support or NFT minting help. Obtaining personal information from victims is the objective of these cons, which can then be put to use for malicious reasons after the information has been obtained. Within the context of this field, impersonation is not a novel phenomena. It should not come as much of a surprise that the Securities and Exchange Commission, which is a regulatory body in the United States, has been focusing its attention on a number of cryptocurrency companies to participate in the ongoing dispute by submitting a cross-appeal. The legal battle that Ripple is now engaged in with the United States Securities and Exchange Commission seems to be continuing. A considerable amount of time has passed since the case was filed. During the appeal, Ripple submitted a Form C on the 24th of October, 2024. This Form C offered an overview of the major issues that will be addressed during the appeal. Stuart Alderati, who serves as the chief legal officer for Ripple, has presented a full overview of the appeal on social media. He brought attention to important aspects of the appeal and the impact that it will have not only on the company but also on the Bitcoin market as a whole. The question of whether or not Ripple's digital asset XRP is fundamentally a security is not taken into consideration in the core of the appeal. That is the question that is being appealed. Alderati has emphasized once more that this decision is not being questioned in this appeal, despite the fact that it has been decided in the past that XRP is not a security. It bears wield power and authority, which is an increase of 0.53 over the course of the past 24 hours. In addition, there has been a 57% decline in the total quantity of transactions. After being in a condition of consolidation for almost a month, the price suddenly broke through the 52-cent support level and went below it. Over the past few days, the price has been subjected to a significant amount of selling pressure, and it has found support close to the 49 cents mark. A famous cryptocurrency analyst known as Dark Defender, whose forecasts on the price of XRP-EN are expected to go viral, issued yet another forecast yesterday. According to the findings of the research, XRP is currently posing a danger to a significant blue support line that is positioned around 48 cents. This line is located a minor amount higher than the level of 48 cents. If it is possible for the price to rise over the level of 52 cents, it is likely that it will continue to rise until it hits the level of resistance represented by 55 cents. In contrast, if the price falls below the 49 cents level, it will most likely continue that negative trend until it reaches the $0.43 support level. This is the case if the price continues to drop below the 49 cents level. The lawsuit that the plaintiff has filed against Ripple is now gaining a great deal of attention, and the most recent development is that Ripple has submitted a request for a cross-appeal. Ripple's XRP, on the other hand, has been able to maintain a favorable market sentiment, despite the litigation, which leads one to believe that there is a prospect for price increases. The value of XRP has dropped by 0.58% over the course of the past several hours, indicating a modest fall. In addition, at the time that this article was being written, it was about trading at 51 cents. In contrast, the alternative cryptocurrency has witnessed a greater amount of activity over the course of the previous few months, both in terms of the activity that occurs on the blockchain and other advancements. Additionally, the organization has released its Bitcoin custody services this month, proving that it has a significant potential for success in 2025, as well as in recent times. As a result of the launch of the World Chain, which took place a week ago, the global community has been in the spotlight recently. In addition, current speculation suggests that it has chosen the name World as the name of its new brand. Prior to that, in September of 2024, WorldCoin had shown significant price improvements, which mostly drew the attention of the market because to the price movements that it witnessed. The current market signals indicate that there is a possibility of a longer prolonged recovery phase. This is because bulls are now maintaining the important $0.50 support level with great strength. Despite the fact that historical patterns suggest that such rebounds are typically found to be transitory, this assertion is nevertheless true. An on-chain analysis that was carried out by Sentiment reveals that there has been a significant shift in the weighted sentiment of XRP, which has started to move from negative territory into positive readings. This discovery was made possible by the fact that the study was carried out. When this transition takes place, it is frequently an indication that market confidence is growing, which can promote increasing demand and eventually lead to price rise. However, those who participate in the market ought to be aware. There is a possibility that this mood alone will not be sufficient to generate consistent price growth. On the 4-hour chart, there are indications of XRP that are positive, even if there is no equivalent buying demand. Bulls of XRP are provided with indicators that are encouraging by the 4-hour chart. These indicators are provided by the Bull-Bear Powerbop indicator, which monitors the equilibrium between purchasing and selling forces. Despite the fact that additional positive BOP values will be necessary in order to keep the upward trajectory going and to break through the immediate resistance levels. According to the most recent assessments, buyers demonstrate that they continue to maintain control of the momentum of the market. The application of technical analysis to the daily period in order to better understand the present position of XRP makes the situation more challenging. Even though the cryptocurrency originally shown signals of weakness by slipping below the 20-day exponential moving average on October 21st, bulls have demonstrated that they are resilient by reclaiming the 50-cent support level. This is despite the fact that the cryptocurrency initially displayed signs of weakness. It should be noted that the material that has been supplied is not intended to serve as business advice. In the event that any investments are made on the basis of the information that is provided on this page, there is no responsibility for those investments. Prior to making any choice on investments, we strongly recommend performing independent research and talking with a professional who is educated in the field.